In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a general channel in Slack, or more accurately, how to remove yourself from a general channel when you no longer want it active in your workspace view. This is a common question for Slack users who are cleaning up their workspace, reorganizing team communication, or trying to reduce noise from channels they no longer need. I'll walk you through this step by step so you can do it safely and quickly. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Slack tutorials and software guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, go to the Slack homepage or open the Slack app on your desktop. Make sure you're signed in to the workspace where the general channel exists. Once Slack loads, you'll see your workspace layout with channels listed on the left-hand side. This is where all public and private channels appear, including the general channel. Next, from the channel list on the left, click on the channel you want to delete or remove. In most workspaces, this will be the general channel, which is usually pinned at the top and used for company-wide announcements or default communication. Click directly on the channel name so it opens in the main chat window. Now, once the channel is open, look toward the top right corner of the Slack window. Here, you'll see an icon with 3 dots, sometimes labeled as More Actions. Click on those 3 dots to open the Channel Options menu. This menu contains all the management actions related to the channel, including notifications, settings, and membership options. From the drop-down menu, click on the option that says Leave Channel. When you select this option, Slack will remove you from the channel so it no longer appears in your channel list or sends you notifications. After you leave the channel, it will effectively be removed from your view, which helps keep your workspace clean and organized. At this point, the channel is deleted from your personal Slack experience. Keep in mind that in many Slack workspaces, the general channel itself cannot be permanently deleted by regular users, but leaving the channel achieves the same result for you individually. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully removed yourself from the general channel in Slack in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.